Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut the pink bricks large red Damselfly in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street Festival, and at this event you can cut uh, any special insect like this. And one of them pink bricks large red Damselfly that has a pink color, and I think it's so cute like this. And to cut this insect or this damselfly, it's very easy. You can cut it at the forest, more precisely at the jam puzzle forest, and it spawns all times, almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. So just go to the jam puzzle forest that located on here this area. So just go to this area, and then next just go start to cut this insect. Just walk around until you found this pink damselfly. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.